Good morning. We are going to start our new topic. This is applications of derivatives, and in applications of derivatives we are going to study 5 major topics. These 5 major topics are rate of change. The second most important topic will be increasing and decreasing of the functions. Then we are going to study the tangents and normals, approximation of different quantities we are going to calculate in this topic, and last, the most important topic of the chapter is maxima and minima. Individually we can say each one is one chapter. Now I am going to correlate it with a topic which you have studied in class 11th, 10th as well as in class 9th in the physics also. So that topics we are going to do. So in that we are going to understand the most important part, the rate of change. So let us suppose S is the distance or displacement. Now we need to calculate speed or velocity. So speed or velocity is known as rate of change of displacement, rate of change of distance, rate of change of displacement. So it will be ds on dt. Now I suppose you are able to understand the rate of change stands for the derivative of the given function. It stands for the derivative of the given function. Further, if I am going to calculate the acceleration, so acceleration is rate of change of velocity. So I suppose I am able to correlate the topic with the things whatever we have studied. So this is dv upon dt, rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. If you want to calculate this with the second derivative, then we can go d dt of ds on dt. So that becomes d2s on dt square. These both the terms are standing for the acceleration. So I suppose we are able to understand the rate of change. This rate of change comes in the rate of change of volume also, rate of change of area also, and different things. For example, I am taking one question. This one question is to calculate the rate of change of the area of circle with respect to the conditions, like with respect to the radius. When radius is given as 5 centimeter. So we know this thing, that area of the circle is pi r square. Now we are going to differentiate it, because rate of change of area we are calculating dA on dt with respect to r, dA upon dr with respect to what we are saying, that we need to concentrate. So it will be pi d on dr of r square. So it becomes pi into 2r. The value of r is given as 5, so it will be 10 pi centimeter square per centimeter, because this is with the unit centimeter square and radius is with the unit centimeter. Now we are going to calculate the rate of change of area. Again, area is equals to pi r square. Now dA on dt will be equals to pi d dt of r square. So this becomes pi 2r, then r will be dr on dt. So now when we put the values, it will become pi into 2 into r. Radius is given as 5 into dr on dt is given as 3. It will be given as in the question. So 5 to 10, 10 into 3, 30 pi centimeter square per second. Try to understand area upon time over here it is. So area is with the unit centimeter square, time is with the unit second. So it will be getting a unit centimeter square per second. Now in the series of the questions, we are going to the next question. This is question from the exercise 6.1 NCERT, question number 2. The volume of a cube is increasing at a rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. The rate of change of volume, it is given as the rate of change of volume, dV upon dt is given as 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing? How fast is the surface area increasing? Means d surface area upon dt is equals to question mark. When the edge means the side of the cube is given as 12 centimeter. So first of all, volume of the cube is a cube. Now dv upon dt, dv on dt will be equals to 3a square dA on dt. dv upon dt is given as 8 is equals to 3 into a is given us as 12 square dA on dt. That implies dA on dt will be equals to 8 upon 3 into 12 square. Now we need to calculate for the surface area. So surface area of the cube will be 6 into side square. Now differentiating both the sides, ds on dt will be equals to 6 into a square will be 2a dA on dt. Let us put the values. 6 into 2, 12. The value of a is given us again 12 into dA on dt will be 8 upon 3 into 12 square. So it will be 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. The rate of change of surface area of the cube will be 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. So like this we can calculate the things. Now you try to solve the exercise. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.